Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious CopyCat red velvet bundt cake that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this CopyCat nothing but bundt cake, velvet cake, these are the ingredients. I have salt, baking powder, strawberry extract, coffee, instant coffee. I have here vegetable oil, milk, chocolate pudding, of course, the non-stick baking cream that you already have on my channel, all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, eggs. This is everything we need to make this moist and delicious CopyCat nothing but bundt cake, velvet cake. So let's get started. I want to start with the non-stick baking cream that I'm going to add on my baking dish. And of course, you guys have this amazing recipe of non-stick baking cream on my channel. There is no need to add butter and then all-purpose flour when you have this amazing non-stick baking cream. Look at this. Okay, I'm gonna put it aside, and now I am ready to start making my cake mixture. I'm adding the vegetable oil, the milk. I'm going to add my eggs. Look at this, one by one. I am going to whisk it really good, making sure that everything is incorporated. Okay, now that everything is incorporated, I'm going to start by adding 1 tablespoon of hot water into the coffee granules, instant coffee. When it's nice and liquidy and that there is no lumps of the coffee, instant coffee, then you are ready to just add it in to the mixture. Look at this. I'm going to add it in here. Of course, I'm going to add my strawberry extract, and the color is amazing. The aroma of the strawberry extract is so penetrating, you could really smell it. And here I'm sifting my granulated sugar because I don't want any little ball of sugar to go in there. So I'm going to sift it really good. Once I sift the granulated sugar, I'm going to go ahead and start sifting the all-purpose flour so that my cake comes out nice and fluffy and tender. I'm adding my salt, I'm adding my baking powder, and I'm gonna sift away. Once I've added all the dry ingredients, I'm going to go ahead and start mixing it really good, incorporating all the dry into the wet. And when there is no lumps at all and everything is really incorporated, now I am ready to add a package of the chocolate pudding. Yes, this is going to make the cake so moist and delicious that once you make it, you are really going to continue making this red velvet cake. This is the CopyCat of nothing bundt cake. Once you make it, you are really going to continue enjoying it with your beautiful family. Okay, this is done. Of course, I have my baking dish already greased, and now I'm ready to just pour everything in here. If you like this recipe, you love, please subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video so that Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Now I'm just gonna tap it for a little bit to get all the air bubbles out, I have preheated my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. It's going to go in the oven for 45 minutes. And let me show you how it comes out after 45 minutes. It's really fluffy. The color looks amazing, and I can't wait to release it from the baking dish so that you really see how easy it comes out. I'm putting a little stick in. If it comes out clean, that means it's cooked through. And now let's reveal. Let's see how this bundt cake, red velvet bundt cake, is going to come out. Nothing is going to stick. Of course, I'm using my non-stick baking cream, and look at this. Amazing. You need to prepare this amazing recipe. Look at this. It comes out perfect. Everything comes out amazing. And of course, nothing sticked to the baking dish. I'm gonna let it rest until it comes to room temperature. And now I am ready to make the famous and the delicious decoration. I'm using a stick of cream cheese at room temperature, vanilla extract. I'm using 1 stick of butter, and I'm using 2 cups of powdered sugar to make this cream cheese frosting that comes out amazing. You need to make this frosting. It's really delicious. It's creamy. The texture is amazing. And of course, the aroma and the taste, perfection, made at home. I'm adding the powdered sugar. I'm going to whisk away. And once this is nice and creamy, I am ready to transfer it to a pastry bag. If you don't have a pastry bag, you could use a Ziploc. Of course, I'm going to make the decoration of nothing but bundt cake right on top of the velvet cake. I'm getting the air out. And by this time, the cake, the bundt cake, is already at room temperature. And now I am ready for the decoration of the cream cheese frosting. Look how creamy and how thick this cream cheese frosting is. Of course, I'm going to add my touch. I'm going to add my decoration right in the center. And I'll see you in just a little bit. I can't wait to enjoy it. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing red velvet bundt cake. Nothing but bundt cake CopyCat. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. The flavor of the chocolate, nice and moist. The cream cheese right on the top. Perfection, made at home. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing and delicious CopyCat, nothing but bundt cake. I am sure you are going to love it. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing Bundt cake. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.